Welcome back to AutoCAD Drafting Tips. In today's video, we're diving into a common issue that many AutoCAD users encounter: missing plot styles. Have you ever experienced the frustration of not being able to find your CTB or STT plot style files? Well, fear not. We've got you covered with a simple solution. First things first, let's identify the problem. You're working on a project, ready to plot your drawing, but when you go to select your plot style, it's nowhere to be found. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. So, how do we fix this? It's easier than you think. Follow along as we walk you through the steps to retrieve those elusive plot style files. Check your plot style folder. Navigate to the location where your plot style files are stored. Often, they can be found in the plot styles folder within your AutoCAD installation directory. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of AutoCAD Drafting Tips. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy drafting!